Right is not what someone gives you, it's what no one can take away from you. A very warm good morning to everyone. I am Khushi, and today's assembly is being conducted by the students of grade 9E, and the theme of our assembly is Human Rights Day.
Now, let's start with the morning prayer first. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sands of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Get ready for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Very warm good morning. Today's thought for the day is, life is not a matter of place, think or comfort. Rather, it concerns the basic human right of people, family, justice, country and human dignity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today I Tanuja Hole of class 9th E is going to tell you the word of the day. Today's word of the day is jury. It is spelled as Jury. Its meaning is a body of citizens sworn to give a verdict in the court of law. It can be used in sentences like a formal appeals process and trial by jury are commonplace. I repeat my word, jury. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I Shobha of class 9th is going to tell today's news. First, some national news. PM Modi addressed foundation stone laying ceremony of new parliament building. No plan to cancel NEET 2021 considering multiple attempts for JEE main, says Education Minister. Now some international news. India object of anti-China policy of the West, Russia Minister says. Canada government objected to military decision to cancel training with Chinese army. Now some sports news. World Athlete Indoor Championship postponed again until 2023. Now some weather news. Today's temperature is 26 degrees Celsius and weather is sunny. That's all for today's. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Arya and I'm going to be telling you an article on human rights. The main articles on human rights are Article 2. Everyone's life shall be protected by law. Article 6. No one shall be subjected or torture or punishment. Article 5. Everyone has the right to liberty and security of people. Article 6. Everyone is entitled to a fair and public hearing. Article 8. The right to respect for his private and family life and his correspondence. Article 9. Freedom of through conscience and religion. Article 10. Freedom of expression. Article 12. Right to marry and found a family. Article 14. Freedom from discrimination. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Today I, Tejaswini of class 9E, is going to present a poem before you on topic human rights. Get back to being human as we lost it some way back. We devolved to war and warriors. Let's regain the human track. Let's get back to being human. It's who we are meant to be. It's true that we are complex, but we can live in harmony. Let's get back to being human. What does that mean to you? It is wrapped up in your words or thoughts and all the things you do. Let's get back to being human. I really feel we should. As what it means to be human is coursing through our blood.
Janagana mana adhinayak jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ